Let's get it straight, girl. You don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day. You got that Benjamin Button.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if you are coming back, thank you for coming back, watching my videos. Please hit the like button, share button, all that good stuff. Cut your notification bell so when I upload a video, you know I upload. So this video is going to be a look at my wig, which is from my last review. Well, no, not my last review, my last unboxing, the Tinashe hair. So I made my wig and I wanted to come back and show you guys what it looked like. So this is the hair. I'm digging it. I gotta get used to it because I'm not used to wearing, like, to me this is curly hair. I'm not used to wearing curly hair. So I gotta get used to this hair. It is beautiful. This is the closure. I didn't really pluck the closure. Some people pluck their closure, some people don't. I didn't this time. But this is what the hair looks like. It's so pretty. I'm gonna insert a video what the hair looks like. I wasn't a fan of the hair when I first made my wig. So I'll do a video on how I achieved this look. I think I'm gonna just basically wear the hair looking like this. But I absolutely love it. It's really, really... Somebody's calling me. How am I gonna do a video? Okay, sorry guys, back to the video. Sorry it was interrupted. I didn't really like the look of the hair when I made my wig. So I did a little technique, which you guys probably already know what technique I did. But if you guys want me to show you, that could be a video for you guys. But I really like the way it came out. It looks sort of like the crimp look that everybody is wearing. Is so like pretty. I'm starting to like it on myself. But if you have not watched the unboxing of this hair, I will link it in the description box below. But when I made my wig, I had minimum shedding. It didn't shed really. The welt was really nice. It was just really, it's really nice hair. I didn't use all the hair. This is about how much I had left. I was trying to fit it in the wig, but I couldn't fit it in the wig. I'm just gonna show you guys a close-up of the hair, but I will be doing a video on how I achieve this look. I'm like really digging myself. But as far as the closure, I think I need to pluck it. I'm not really sure. I'm going back and forth. Like, I mess with this hair every day to try to get it as perfect as I want it to be. But I'm just gonna turn around and let you guys see the hair. It is so pretty. So pretty. I'm trying to try new things, guys. I'm trying to try new things. But I absolutely love it. This is the hair I will be wearing on my family trip. The closure, I did not bleach the closure. I didn't feel like bleaching the closure, honestly. I just basically took a foundation that was the color of my skin and just rubbed it on the closure. And that gave it like a more tinted look. But I think I need to fix my closure a little bit. Let me know if you guys think I should fix my closure. I think I need to just like pluck the closure a little bit. Or I mean, I kind of like it like this. I mean, but it can be thinned out a little bit. It can be plucked a little bit. Let me know in the bottom bar what you guys think. If you think I should keep it like this, or you think I should pluck the closure a little bit. But this is where it stops on me. Oh, I can't stand up. It stops like right above my, like the middle of my boobs. This is 22, this is 20, 22, 24 bundles in an 18-inch closure. But I absolutely love this hair. It's very lightweight. It's really sexy. I absolutely love it. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like. I haven't really worn it out yet. I just made the wig like a couple days ago, but I just wanted to show you guys. Ooh, in your age. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like. Like I said, I will be wearing this hair out to my family trip, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe because I will be vlogging the family trip so you guys can see what we're doing as a family. But yeah, I'm gonna stop saying in a second. But I absolutely love this hair. This gives me like a new look, like a break from straight hair. I love my straight wig. I love you, baby, but I need a new look. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. Subscribe. Comment if you want to leave a comment on this video or what type of videos you want to see. Like, share, cut the notification bell, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.